I am here with Adrian and Jessica, operators of 451 Pizza, and today, guys, we've been talking about efficiency, how to serve food quickly once it's been ordered. And I wanted to show your guys' pizza truck because I know that you guys are masters of efficiency. So, Jessica, a lot of times you're here taking the orders, and then once an order comes in, you hand it off to Adrian. Adrian, walk us through the stations of your truck and tell us how it all plays out.
Okay, so typically once I get an order from the window, we'll put the ticket up here on the ticket wheel, and the pizza making process has begun. We have dough preset up here. It has to proof out room temperature for a prior amount of time so that it gets up to the right temperature and proofs out like we're looking for. We pull that, run it through the roller here, and that'll create a nice consistent even surface for us to start with. And then we bring it to the paddle and stretch it out the rest of the way to 14 inches. After we stretch it out to 14 inches, we take our fresh prepared everyday toppings, fill the pizza up for whatever the ticket says, and get it into the pizza oven down here. Now these ovens are cranking out at 750 degrees Fahrenheit, and so they're just blasting it out. I can finish a pizza in 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Every pizza oven, so it's just non-stop. Every minute and a half, minute and three quarters, we got a pie coming out. This is where we finish it off here on the prep station.
On service times where you're serving up slices, do you make pizza ahead of time and then just reheat it once it's ordered?
We don't necessarily reheat. We keep things fresh, and usually there's a line of 20-40 people deep when you're doing that high volume type of service. So we have this warming rack above the pizza ovens here that keep the pizza at 165 degrees. And so we have a nice hot temperature that we're just grabbing slices, handing them out the window. And then all we're really having to focus on the pizza ovens is what pizza we're missing on the racks, and then we're just keeping that filled. So when there's a line of 40 people, we can usually have them order at one window, and by the time they come down here, they're grabbing their individual slices ready to go.